These are my 3 toppings. I've got banana, blueberries and strawberries, and I'll use honey. You can use syrup as well if you want. I put a cup of flour. I don't do measurement when I'm making my pancakes. You can just use a cup of flour, self-raising flour, and I'm gonna put in 1 egg, any size, and I will be putting 2 scoops. I think I put 2.5 scoops of sugar, and now I'll be adding milk to my ingredients, and you can start mixing. And if you think that the mixture is a bit hard, you can add more milk to it. Like I said, I don't do measurement until you get that right consistent. Keep adding milk. And keep on whisking. And you can keep on adding more milk if you think your mixture is still a bit harder. And with the pancake, you need a buttery mixture. It doesn't need to be too runny. It needs to be like a cake mixture. I'm adding a little bit of milk. Like I say, it depends on how much flour you put in. So you'll be adding milk if you think your mixture is not buttery enough. It entirely depends on how much you put, your ingredients, especially the flour. Keep on mixing. Mixing until you get that buttery mixture like that one. Now it should be ready. That's like a cake mixture. Now I'm putting on my pan, and I'm gonna spread a little butter on my pan, and I'm using medium heat. Because you don't want to burn them. And like I say, you don't need to have a special tool to make a shaped heart. You can, I'm using a spoon here to scoop out the mixture from the bowl, and I'm gonna go straight ahead and try to make a heart-shaped pancake. It doesn't have to be perfect, but if you want something perfect, you can buy the tools if you want. They sell them on Amazon or in your local shop. But I just wanted to tell you, because not all of us will have the time to buy the tool, the heart-shaped pan for pancake, or even a mold. Yeah, they call it mold. But if you don't have time, you can just make it yourself like I'm doing. It's not that perfect, but it still is a heart shape as long as you make an effort. And I think it looks pretty okay. and you need to flip it out when you see the bubbles coming. If you see the bubbles, that's when the good time for you to flip out your pancake. And you can keep on shaking, and so you can avoid burning the pancake. So it looks pretty good, I think. It looks pretty good. So if you think everything is alright, you can just take it out. And I'm making another batch. I think this one turned out a bit perfect. Like I said, practice makes perfect. So you can practice with the first 2 pancakes, and so to go about. Here I'm using a batter. I like to put on a batter on my pancake, so not to make it too dry. So I'll be making few more, as you can see, and they turned out okay. So if you keep on practicing, they'll be just perfect. Like this, I'm putting more batter in my pancake. Like I said, to make it not feel dry. You can make the heart-shaped pancake for your loved ones on the day of the Valentine for breakfast. And your Valentine doesn't have to be your partner or your husband. It can be your children, your mom, your grandma, your grandfather, your uncle, auntie, anyone that you really love and you just want to go that extra mile to make their day their day very special on that special day. I'll be using blueberries for my last batch. I like putting blueberries sometimes in my pancake because they're a bit tangy and they're also healthy. So yeah, why not? You don't have to put them if you don't like blueberries, but just to to go the extra mile, you can put some blueberries or anything that you like to put into your pancake. I'm gonna do the last one. And I think I found this one a bit, maybe the heat was so high, but it's okay. It was still delicious. Now plating them, you can do whatever you really like or prefer to decorate your pancakes. I don't know, this is how I was thinking at the moment to put my fruits. You can do whatever arrangement you like, and the pancake turned out okay. And I'll be drizzling some honey, because my son loves honey in his pancake. But if you have, like I say, if you like syrup or like chocolate, maybe chocolate mixture, then you can put some if you want. So I'll be putting again some few pieces of fruits on my pancake, and there you go. That's my creation. You can do whatever you want, it's up to you. And for another set of my heart-shaped pancake, I decided to put some bananas on top. Bananas are healthy as well, and they'll fill you up in the morning, and they are great. They go very well with pancakes. And I'll be drizzling some honey on top. Like I say, you can use whatever you want. There you go. This is my second creation. And the last pancakes that I put the blueberries in it, I'll just put some few bits of strawberries that I just chopped. Chopped, and I'll just drizzle it with a bit of honey on top, and there you go. But you can do whatever you want. You can put whatever kind of fruits that you want. It doesn't have to be strawberries. You can use raspberries as well. They're also great addition. There you go.